Okay, so pretty much every cancer research meeting that I sit in lately, whether it's with biologists or clinicians or usually a mixture of both, we end up talking about AI and how on earth are we meant to turn ourselves suddenly into AI experts, as well as kind of mentoring and leading junior researchers to become leaders in this kind of new space of cancer research where everything happens totally differently. And it's a challenge. It's a challenge that we're picking apart day by day, trying to kind of get up to speed with the newest technologies in AI, but also trying to understand how it's going to change each of our fields so that the actual research that we're doing doesn't become immediately irrelevant. It's an ongoing problem, and I don't think this paper solves it, but I did want to share this one paper with you because I think it makes some really nice points. So one thing they say is that we should really look at kind of new cancer researchers having two types of PI. So like either a biology and clinical PI on one side and a computational PI on the other, which of course is quite different to how we would look at it in the past of having like maybe a non-clinical and a clinical PI. It's almost like we need a non-computational and a computational PI now. Another thing, and you might think this goes without saying, but it really doesn't, is that data from the point that it's created needs to be AI friendly now. We need to make sure that we're producing data that can be easily read by machines because it's going to be. Everything's going to be. And along with that train of thought, that we need to be really even more careful than normal about our data management plans. If you're not already embedding those within your research, you need to. We need to be really careful about that oversight. And ethics have always been important in cancer research, but with these new massive data sets, it's something that we need to keep thinking of and keep making sure that we're adhering to our existing ethics, but also making sure that we adapt them as necessary to contend with this whole new type of data. Our research integrity is under threat at the moment as cancer researchers. And it's not just because people might write papers that, were really written by ChatGPT. It's more that, we're doing genuine research. We're using the forefront of the most exciting tools. But what if things go wrong? What if we're not actively on top of the data management and the ethics and everything that needs to be in place to make sure that our patients and participants are safe? Most of all, it's about future-proofing our work because tomorrow's going to be different to today, even in a literal sense, never mind the broader tomorrow. Things are moving really, really, really quickly. So the type of work that we're doing in cancer research really needs to be future-proofed. And we need a variety of people in the room talking that problem through in real time and making sure that we achieve it. It's a good paper. Go have a look.